So there are a lot of channels that simply upload reused content, and they have like millions of views and even millions of subscribers, and like with lot less videos. Like for only 81 videos this guy has uploaded, and as you can see, this guy has got like 2.41 million subscribers. Similarly, there's another channel like this one. Okay, this guy has uploaded like 374 videos, which is a lot, but this guy's got like 3.51 million subscribers. And all these videos, as you can see, all these shorts, they are like reuse content. All they do is do a voiceover over them. So I will be teaching you everything in this video, and obviously these channels are monetized also. Like, let me head over to this channel, this website, which is called is this channel monetized.com. And when I search this channel, whatever this name is, PJ Pandey, whenever I search this channel on this website, it tells the channel PJ Pandey is monetized. Now similarly, if I search this channel and I search it up here whether this channel website is monetized or not, let me just show it to you. Okay, yeah, click on submit. Yeah, as you can see, this channel, the AC Comedy 2.0, is monetized. So whether you want to, you can also like these shorts are like the narration in these shorts is done in Hindi. You can do it in English or any of your regional languages, whichever you want to. It's fairly simple. Now to download these videos, we'll be using a app which is known as Douya. Let me show you. I don't know how to properly pronounce it, but you can just type this in your browser address bar. Okay, DOUYIN.com, Douya. Okay, something like this will come up. Just click on cross. So you will have an interface that looks like this. Okay, now you can choose any videos you want. Okay, whichever videos you want. Now if you're concerned about watermark, we'll deal with that also, but whichever video you like, you can just choose that one. Okay, so I suppose I am looking for which video. Okay, okay, I'll be choosing this video. Okay, as you can see, this is some transformer type stuff. Okay, so all you need to do is like click on this button here. Okay, so if you are worried about the interface being in Chinese, you can download this Google Translate extension, okay, in your browser. And whenever you are here, just choose this one and click on here. Wait a minute, and click on translate this page. So it will automatically translate this page for you. Okay, now assuming it does, okay, let's just proceed because my internet speed seems to be a little slow right now. Okay, so all you need to do is click on the share button. Okay, click here. All you need to do is click on the share button, and there will be this link. Okay, just copy this link. Okay, once you have copied this link, head over to website, go on Google and search for the term godownloader.com. Okay, so once you get it, just open this one. Okay, so what this website does, it downloads the videos on these platforms, from these platforms, without watermark. So all I need to do is click paste here, Control V, and it will just pull that video out and remove the watermark. So watermark, okay, you can click on this one, or you can click on this one, whichever works for you. Okay, let me click on this one. So once you are done, this video will be downloaded. Seems like a fairly big video, it seems. Okay, the video has been downloaded. Let me just show it to you. Okay, so as you can see, this is like some Transformers type stuff which this guy has done. Okay, so don't use this video like this. Okay, although there can be or there may not be watermark. Say suppose in this video we can still see a watermark here. Okay, sometimes that can happen. So what you need to do is open CapCut, click on new project. So say suppose we are like making a new short, just click on import and just import this latest video. Click here, ratio is 9:16. Make sure that the watermark is not shown in the video. Okay, make sure that watermark is not shown in the video. And additionally, what you need to do is make sure that video voice is set to mute, because then you need to add your own no copyright music. Okay, you can search on Google and get some no copyright music. Okay, no copyright music, you can download that no copyright music and add this to CapCut to your video. Okay, make sure to keep it under 60 seconds for shorts, and then you can add your own voiceover to it and try to make it funny if you want. Because say suppose this video, this watermark is coming here, you can just keep it here. or you can maybe, let's just see, let me try this one. Now say for reference purposes I have got a different video. Okay, as you can see this video does not have any watermark on it. So all you need to do here also is like, you know, just remove the voice by click on this button, so this video will be muted. Now you can add your own no copyright music and add your own voiceover. You can add your own voiceover manually, or you can use a website like 11 labs. Okay, just come up here and whatever is happening in the video just type it here and click on generate. You can choose a voice of your liking. Okay, once you do that you can import it and then you can start uploading it. If you like, whenever you do this, make sure your account is verified. Okay, because if your account is verified with phone number verification and all that, there are less chances that your account will get froze, there are less issues of account freezing. So you can do that and you can try doing that, and as you can see these channels have done it and they are making a killing right now. So once again, this is Agarwal Bros, and if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.